Turn on the laser 3 buttons in a row. Then you can see to red lights. Then manually adjust the focus. Crank the handle so that the 2 red dots against there. Open the software. Click the text. Tap in the center of the screen to bring up the text logo. Click on the red H to fill in the text. Type select solid bold characters. Standalone OK. Then click the red button to confirm the marking area. Adjust the object position to determine the marking range. Select the red light stop and click the Mark button to mark. Finally, close the computer software and then close the 3 buttons. Xingtai laser.